Okay, Huskies, let's help Harry Potter do problem number 2. In this problem, we have 2x minus 5 equals 5. And when we model the equation, here is our model. And this side of the equal sign, we have 2x. Here's a 2x. Take away 5 negatives, equals positive 5. Here's our positive 5. So what we want to know is what is the opposite of negative 5 in order to get 2x by itself. So we are going to get 2x by itself here. So we want that negative 5 out of there. So we're going to use positive 5. Okay? We're going to use positive 5. And there we go. Next, we want to know how many equal groups. But before we do that, we have to use our zero pairs. So we're going to have positive 5 on both sides. What we do to one side of the equation, we have to do to the other side. So in order to get to 2x by itself, we're going to have to add 5 positives on this side in order to make those zeros. So here's 5 yellows. So what I'm going to do, I can bring them over, or I can just copy these, copy, paste, and I have 5 on this side, okay, to make zero pairs, and I have another 5 on this side. Because what you do to one side, you have to do it to both sides. Okay? So now that we have done that, we added 5 to both sides, we're going to find zero pairs. And on this side, we can see that we have at least 5 zero pairs. So I'm going to put these in and make them on a line over here. Here's 3. And I'm going to put all my yellows on this side. And in order to make them zero pairs, I need to take the negatives and put them right next to each other. So here's 1 0, 2 zeros, 3 zero pairs, 4 zero pairs, and 5 zero pairs. So here we made 5 zero pairs, and on this other side we don't have any zero pairs because they're all positive numbers. So now we're going to step 3. How many equal groups? So we want to know the value of each x, and we have 10 on each. We have 10 total of 10. So I'm just going to move those over here and move these 5 over here. So now we can see that x equals 5 and this x equals 5. So how many equal groups? We're going to say 2. And the value of x is going to be 5. And of course, x equals 5. Now we want to make sure Harry Potter is correct. We're going to check our work. Here's where we had 2x minus 5 equals 5. X is 5, so I'm going to put 5 here. And now we multiply 2 times 5. That's 10. And 10 take away 5 is 5. And now we're going to see does 5 equal 5? And yes, that does equal. So we get our check. We'll put it here. So now we know that Harry Potter is correct. We know the mystery number. The value of x is 5. X equals 5. So this is how we do it, Huskies. I hope this helps.